Hopefully, you did not miss out on this trade a few days ago when we shared it on our channel, because it's now made more than 800% profit. So in this video, we will go over this trade as a real example so everyone can learn how we use unusual option activity to make more money in the stock market. This was the video that we published and shared on our channel. Will silver rally like gold next week? And clearly it has, because today it hit a new high and we're only halfway through the week. In this video, we were analyzing the March 28 options on this day. So you can see this very strong rally up in just half a week. Okay. If you missed out on this video, we'll put a link at the top here. A lot of insights you can learn from this video. If you missed it, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on these very profitable opportunities when we share our trades based on the unusual option activity. So we can see here that the ETF for silver on the day that we analyzed it has gone up about 8.7%. And the options that we had traded in the video, you can see profit about $121 per call option. And we paid $15 as we showed in the video. So $121 of profit divided by the initial cost of 15 times 100 for a percentile, we get 806% profit. Okay, so another way to look at it is, if you look at the options now, these were the April 5th options that we were going over, you can see that they are deep in the money now. These 23.5 strike calls where we have our position, you can see how much they're worth now. We can sell it back to the market for about $126 when we initially got them for about $15. So that is an 8 times increase, okay, in just a few days, right? The thing about trading unusual options activity is that not all of them will be winners. Some will be losers. But the fact that when we have winners, we can make 8 times 800%. That means we can essentially have 8 losers and 1 winner. And we would still be break even. We would not be at a loss. And typically our win rate is not that bad. It is not, definitely not 8 losers and 1 winner. Right? So that is why trading unusual options activity, you need to diversify your portfolio with multiple stocks that have unusual options activity. So if you're interested in that and you want access to more stocks with unusual options activity, make sure to go to our website. We'll put a link at the top here. And as we showed in the video, these options, when we got in, is because of the March 28 unusual options here. They were for the, you can see here, this is March 28 trading day when silver ETF was trading at $22.75. These April 5th options, the 23.5 strike calls, you can see them here. They were going for $15, as we mentioned. There was 108,000 contracts. And that's what we were showing in our video, that this was very unusual. Okay. There was actually a second trade that we also went over where there were these 20,000 contracts as well, which is actually this other trade here, this second trade, this vertical call spread here. Okay, this cost was 10 for each of these vertical call options. You can see $80 of profit per vertical call spread. So it's the same amount, 80 divided by 10, 800% profit, right? So either or, any one of these trades that we had discussed in our video would have made at least 800% profit in just a few days. Okay. In fact, if you saw our video, you could have gotten in on the Monday, on April 1st. You can see that it was trading actually lower on the day, all the way to over here where the candle was of this wick here, right? So it was actually went below the day when we entered. So you could have actually gotten a better price after watching our video. Okay. So that is what we mean by there are lots of opportunities out there. We just need to know where to look and how to analyze the data. And that is what we do. We always show the options time and sales tape. And one thing to note of today is you can see here, there's actually a lot of profit taking happening. See this at 3:38 p.m. A lot of selling the calls here. These are also a lot of call selling here. Okay. And you'll also notice that for the 23.5 strike calls that we are in, we started to take profits because you can see the volume, 71,000. A lot is being traded at the same strike price, and the majority of them are taking profits. And so that is what we did today too. We followed the data. If the data of the unusual options are selling to close out of their trades to take profits, that's what we do too. Okay, so if you're interested in more of our analyses work, how we pick stocks, how we set up option strategies to reduce risk in order to maximize profits, pick the best stocks to beat the market, make sure to go to our website. Put a link at the top here. Let us know in the comments below if you were one of the people who viewed this video and got into this trade and made 800% profit. It means a lot to us when other people are making a lot of money. Take care, and please smash the like button.